Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back again to my channel. At this time, I'm gonna teach you how to gather Windows Autopilot hardware ID for Autopilot enrollment. So this will be easy. Kailangan lang natin is PowerShell. Just elevate it to the target device. So kung alin yung device na gusto mong i-enroll in Autopilot, so dun mo i-run tong command. So let's start. So I already have an elevated PowerShell open. So you will see administrator. Now, what we're going to do first would be to force the PowerShell to use TLS 1.2. This is a security protocol for all HTTPS connections or bucket. Many web services like PowerShell Gallery requires TLS 1.2 to download or install scripts. So let's start. So net.service point manager, security protocol equals net.security protocol type TLS 1.2. Okay, so we've established that. We're now using the TLS 1.2 protocol. Now, next thing would be to create a new folder. So this folder, dito natin i-store yung output file at doon din natin makikita yung hardware ID CSV file. So in order to do that, so new dash item type directory path HWID. So let's name it as HWID para mas madali nating makita. Pwede nyo rin namang manually create to. Go to File Explorer, C, and then right-click new folder, then just name it as hardware ID. But for the sake of doing everything in PowerShell, um, so that's why I did that. So going back, um, we're going to be changing the current working directory from system32 to that folder we created. So set location path C hardware ID. So you see from system32 path, napunta na tayo dun sa folder na ginawa natin, which is yung HWID folder. Now, we're going to be using systems path and environment variable temporarily for this session because this will allow us to run scripts like get dash windows autopilot info directly from the command line without typing the full path. So let's do that. So let's call it path equals C program files Windows PowerShell scripts. Okay, so next would be to set the execution policy to remote signed or unrestricted. It's up to you. But in this video, I'm going to be using remote sign because this will allow us to run local scripts without signature because remote scripts must be signed. So backend. This prevents script blocking during this session, but without changing the global settings. So let's start set execution policy scope process execution policy remote signed. Okay, so you'll see here the execution policy helps protect you from scripts that you do not trust. But this time we're trusting this one because we need to. So we can just hit Y or A to yes to all. That's okay. Now, next one would be to install the script. Um, we will be installing the get dash Windows Autopilot info script. So to do that, install script name, get that Windows Autopilot info. And let's wait. Okay, so that means it has been installed. If you see a new line sa PowerShell nyo, now we will be getting it now, and then the output file. So get that dash Windows Autopilot info output file would be autopilot HWID.csv. So yung file extension ng mga hardware IDs for autopilot enrollment would be CSV. So they are CSV files. So let's hit enter. Okay, so if you see this one after you type in that script, that means it has been created. So for us to check, so we're gonna go to C, hardware ID. So this is the folder we created earlier. And while we are doing the script, so hardware ID and then this autopilot hardware ID. So this CSV file, you see, output file name is autopilot HWID. So that is what we get. Now, konting tip lang for this one. Just for example, you will be uploading it to autopilot, and somebody will do that on your behalf. Do not save this one or forward this as Excel extension because it will mess up the format. You will get like incorrect header format. So just transfer it as it is. So yun lang, and hope you learned something, and thank you for watching. Feel free to like, share this video, and thank you. Bye bye.